This extremely comprehensive masterclass is designed to walk you through every step of creating, marketing, and scaling your own profitable online course, as well as all the insider secrets to build it into a complete course business. By the end of this journey, you won't just have the theoretical insights, but also practical know-how and actionable strategies that will enable you to launch and succeed in your online course venture. Here are some of the elements that you will master. First, identifying your unique course idea. Together, we will uncover your unique expertise and passion, then learn how to translate that into a compelling online course idea that fills a concrete market need and resonates with your target audience. Number 2, creating engaging and professional course content. Discover how to structure your course, create engaging and educational content, and use multimedia elements to enhance learning and keep your students hooked until they have learned what you teach them. Number 3, building your course landing page and sales funnel. You'll learn how to create an attractive and conversion-focused landing page and master the art of building a sales funnel. From a high-value lead magnet to a tempting tripwire offer that will make you actually sell your course. I have picked some of the secrets from my Dr.Funnel.com sales funnel masterclass to give you the edge. Number 4, optimizing your course sales page. Understand the secrets of crafting a persuasive sales page that not only sells your course, but sells the destination or transformation it promises. You'll learn about key sales page elements, the psychology of conversion, and strategies like scarcity and urgency. This part could be a course in itself, it's that complete. Number 5, mastering email marketing strategies. Email is far from dead, and you'll learn how to use it to build a relationship with your prospective students, nudge them towards the purchase, and keep them engaged after they've bought your course. You'll learn about personalization, segmentation, and the art of writing compelling email copy. Number 6, designing your course delivery and student experience. Get insights into hosting options for your course, learn how to deliver your content effectively, and discover strategies to ensure your students stay engaged, complete your course, and become your brand ambassadors. And finally, number 7, scaling your course business. Once you've launched your course, the journey doesn't end there. You'll learn strategies to gather and implement student feedback, improve your course, expand your course portfolio, and scale your business for sustainable success. Each module of this masterclass delves deeper into these areas, providing you with the tools, strategies, and insights necessary to launch and grow a successful online course business. By the end of this journey, you won't just have all the theoretical insights, but also the practical know-how and actionable strategies that will enable you to launch and succeed in your online course venture. Get ready to turn your experience and passion into a fulfilling and profitable business. So these are just a few important highlights of this masterclass, but we will cover much more in the more than 100 video lectures of this definitive course business masterclass. I will see you in the next video.